James, I was cleaning the closet today, and I found this shopping bag with expensive jewelry. Can you tell me where it came from?
Jewelry? I have no idea what you're talking about, Laura. I haven't bought any jewelry recently.
Well, it wasn't here last week. And I haven't bought any new jewelry either. James, are you hiding something from me?
Laura, I promise you. I have no idea where that jewelry came from. Maybe someone gave it to you as a gift.
No one has given me any gifts lately, James. I can't help but wonder, if you're hiding something from me, are you cheating on me?
Laura, I would never cheat on you. You mean the world to me. Maybe there's a logical explanation for the jewelry. Let's try to figure this out together.
I want to believe you, James, but this is so strange. I can't think of any other explanation.
Let's sit down and talk this through, Laura. I love you, and I want to make sure we're on the same page.
Okay, let's talk. But I need you to be completely honest with me.
Of course, Laura. I have nothing to hide. Maybe the jewelry belongs to someone else, and it ended up in our closet by mistake.
It's just that it's so expensive, James. I can't help but worry.
I get it, Laura. I'd be worried too if I were in your shoes. Let's start by checking the shopping bag for any receipts or notes that might give us a clue about where it came from.
That's a good idea. Let's do that. James, the receipt has your name on it. It says you purchased this jewelry 2 weeks ago.
Oh, that's right. I should have told you earlier, but I wanted it to be a surprise. I bought the jewelry for our anniversary, which is coming up next week.
Our anniversary? Oh, James, I had no idea. I thought you were hiding something from me.
I'm so sorry for not telling you earlier, Laura. I wanted it to be a surprise, and I didn't want to ruin it. I hope you can forgive me.
James, I can't believe you went through all this trouble for our anniversary. Thank you for the beautiful jewelry, but more importantly, thank you for being honest with me.
You're welcome, Laura. I love you so much, and I would never do anything to hurt you. I promise to communicate better in the future.
I love you too, James. I guess I jumped to conclusions without giving you a chance to explain. I'm sorry for doubting you.
No need to apologize, Laura. It's understandable that you were concerned. I'm just glad we were able to clear things up.
I can't wait to wear the jewelry on our anniversary. It's going to be a wonderful celebration.
I'm looking forward to our anniversary too, Laura. It's going to be a special day for both of us.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.